Hello, I'm Ab Cisse, and I'd like to introduce you to a new softbox by Glow, a Flashpoint brand, the Glow ParaSnap. For me, the quality of light is everything. But before we get into that, let's discuss a few design features that will make the Glow ParaSnap a game changer. The setup and breakdown of this softbox is next level. Simply snap it back to open and flip a switch to close. That easy. No need to remove the baffle to access an internal mechanism. No need to remove rods from the Speedring. It simply folds down in a snap. I'm also a huge fan that I never have to worry about the rods coming out, as they are completely integrated with a sewn-in design. This snap to open mechanism also leaves the flash tube and modeling light completely unobstructed to maximize light quality and output. Do you own lights with different mounts? Because the Speedring makes changing mounts effortless. With no tools, simply slide over the lock, swap Speedrings, and that's it. Now you can effortlessly go from whatever strobe you use to your favorite continuous light with ease. For me, these features are a game changer. My first impression of the build quality is right up there with any softbox I've ever used. They are all metal in all the right places, with quality fabrics used as well. So now let's talk about the quality of light this produces. The SterlingFibre silver lining with highly reflective wafered surface is brilliant. This does a few things. It maximizes our light output to get the most out of our lights and helps our softboxes create a more even, predictable light. It allows us to take advantage of our softbox as a hard light source when no diffusion is used. Look at these images produced when both internal and external baffles are removed, and we just have the light from the SterlingFibre material. And with both baffles, it's even from edge to edge, giving us beautiful soft light with no hot spots. The ParaSnaps come in 36 and 44-inch sizes, with optional grids available for both. They are great for beauty, fashion, and portraits. And their extreme portability and compactness also makes them ideal for wedding photographers or filmmakers who need to set up and break down in a snap. Like love songs, some may say a softbox is the last thing we need more of, but I beg to differ. Save me time and give me beautiful light? I'm all in.